Today I'll show you how to comment in PHP. So I'll show you some way like single comment and multi-line comment. Just class name. If you want to add the single line comment, then you can just add. Also another single line comment, class name. You can just add the hash. If you want to add the multiple line comment, then I'll just show here. There in just echo just content echo. If you want to add the multiple line comment, then just star, also closing star slash. That's it. So if you want to add the single line comment, use this single line comment. Also single line comment. This is the multiple line comment. Multi-line comment. Thank you for the watching. Bye bye.